Thank you again for being part of this show. You're welcome back. So, guys, there's something I would like to talk about, and this thing is, guys, man. This one is for you, man. It's not everything. It's not everything that you will see. I mean, everything in the form of skirt. In the form of skirt and breastwear, where you go think, say, now something where you just get for look, their eye, they go there. No. Not be anything where you see, like, nowadays on social media, you will see some young girls that will come there, you understand? In fact, guys, una permit me, may I talk this one for, you understand? May I talk this one for our way, you understand? So, the thing where they now say, not be every babe where you see come for outside for social media, where you don't put, you will see and you don't put something like, say, you will see and it will be like, say, she getting a very pointed bobby where they like, say, you see now so bobby then sharp. No, not be every babe where you go say and so like that. Some babe then they way, that one way they shake like that, you go see, you go say that bobby way, now bobby they sharp. And not be bobby they sharp. Not be bobby they sharp. Yes, not be bobby they sharp. A lot of these babes, they know which way that they put there for make a because the babes they know say men, say guy men, their eyes they na for if guy men they no look their boots, you understand, their butts, they know say guy men they go look Bobby, they go know say they go look Bobby. Yes. So not be everything where you go see for social media where you go think say na reality. No, some of these girls some of these babes that they just put na fake. They just put fake Bobby with sometime. Instead for the Bobby for the point, they look like this. The Bobby the point, they look like this. The Bobby don't bow down. The Bobby don't bow down. You understand? Yes. So now the thing be that, but they will go put now something. They go take rubber, come put. When they put rubber, they shake like this, they shake like this, they shake like this. You look and say, hey, who will give you that one? No. A lot, some of these babes like that, when they come on social media, they come, you see they make like this, Guys, bro, go remove that thing where they they shake like this. Go remove that thing. You go see, say, that thing where you call and say, Bobby don't bow. You go see, say, that thing where they call, say, Bobby don't bow. Nobody say they talk lie. Now the reality be that. There's one black babe who normally comes on social media. You will see, she will put on black something black. I mean, she will put on something black, and then you see the Bobby go the point. You see, it could be like say that now Bobby way just they come out. Now Bobby just they come out. Where you know no say now rubber where she put it. Now they babe this why they talk. Yes, now they babe this where they talk. Yes, this babe, if you see well. You don't they come, you put them, they shake, bang, 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 bang. You see that so the thing they be pointed where if person where you know you go they shake body. If the thing could move, I go say, who not give me this one, I could chop arm. Now so not be me they talk about person where you know they tough, you go they think say, oh, you could chop arm. Bro. Now for last fight, where person can no say that thing I rubber. No be the reality. Now for last fight, I'm not gonna show you how is something bow, but I can only show you the rubber which they use. Now the rubber this which they use. Now the rubber this way she use. You see how the thing shine. But now if you go there now, you want to see say, the Bobby they don't bow. Instead for them for they look straight, the thing that they look now down. Even though no say someone and they way they get something where they look now down, no. But nobody no care for that play because a lot they get something they look now down. But you know it, the easy will say that thing bow. You understand? Yes. Someone then they way them be born natural way. They be born natural. They get now that thing the way they look down. Yeah, if they look down. So when they are on go look between straight and down, you could look somewhere in between. You understand? That kind of angle 30 degrees. Or that kind of angle 45 degrees like that. Yes. But this particular babe where they talk here, where they show you the picture. This girl don't they come. This babe don't they come for online. She they always shake this thing like this. We person no say na rubber. So guys, not be everything you see for social media you go believe am. Not be everything you see for social media you go believe am. Some of those things for social media are fake. I say fake. And you go believe am, bam. Now they don't happen for your side. Wahala don't gas. Yawa don't gas. So, not be everything we see for social media go just a believe. No. If some man they tell me, say, this thing with this babe they shake, na rubber, I for deny. But now, me self don't take my 2 eyes see. Me self don't take my 2 eyes see. So, not be everything. It's not everything that you see on social media that you just have to believe. You understand? Some of these things, a lot of babes are fake. A lot of babes the fake nyash. A lot of babes the fake Bobby. That's how it is. Look, if they can even fake their faces, the face where God give them, they don't take pancake rubber all day. You will see face. Some go even put a rubber face. You go look at it, say, oh, how smooth is your face? You understand? So that's how it is. Maybe everything you see on social media, you will accept it. Nothing that they happen. A lot of those things don't plasmolize. They don't flash it. They look like down. They don't bow. They don't bow because they know say it chief the ego they come, chief they come. They know say they don't bow. So they bow. Most of the things I say pointing down. Oh, I respect. But you go and see this one will go put some perhaps has something they look not down. She will go put that rubber, she go they shake and shake and shake. Now ain't be that. Now lie be talk. Maybe you said don't see. So now you can take your 2 eyes, chop Christmas, even though Christmas don't pass days ago. If you take your 2 eyes, chop Christmas. Now ain't be that. So guys, that's what I decided to bring for you today. So that not everything that you see on social media that you have to believe. It's not everything you see on social media you have to believe. So guys, help me, do me a favor. Don't just watch don't just watch this video and go. Guys, do me that favor. Like the video, drop us a comment, and also share the video. As you do so, may God bless you. Thank you and see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye. I remain your one and only one. The game changer. The epitome of wisdom and the mindset. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.